Hey guys, it's Roxy Chow down and welcome to my kitchen. Thank you so much for stopping by. In this video, you'll see how I make one of my favorite Sunday dinner drinks. Deliciously smooth, creamy, and flavorful carrot juice with milk. Let's get started. So we'll start by peeling the carrots before cutting them into small pieces. Guys, if you have a high-powered juicer, there's no need to cut your carrot into small pieces. However, if you're using a blender to juice your carrots, as I do, you'll need to cut the carrots small enough to allow the blender to work effectively. I'll show you 2 easy ways to cut your carrots small enough for your blender. Just keep watching. Before we get into the 2 cutting styles, I'd like to quickly say thank you to all the sweet people who have subscribed to my channel. Please keep liking, sharing, commenting, and watching the ads to show some love and support my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, don't be shy. Simply hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss another delicious recipe. Bless up every time. Now it's time to blend the carrots for juicing. So my peeps, for this recipe, I'll be using my faithful blender that never lets me down. It's what I've used for many years to blend my juices and all my fruits when baking my Jamaican Christmas cakes. However, you can use a juicer if you have one. If you'd like to purchase a blender like mine or a great juicer, please see the link in the description box below to shop for my favorite things for the kitchen. Happy juicing! Next, it's time to strain the carrot juice. Who else getting thirsty? Here's the fun part, sweetening and flavoring the carrot juice with all the delicious spices that makes this recipe a winner. My peeps, let me tell you something. Making this drink is so fragrantly spicy that you'll get excited by all the delicious scents throughout the kitchen. Now here's a bonus ingredient for the adults who enjoy a little buzz. Add a bottle of Guinness or Dragon Stout to the mix. But remember, if you're serving children, leave it out because this recipe is simply delicious as is. So there you have it, guys. Rich, creamy and flavorful Jamaican carrot juice with milk, Roxy Chow style. Thank you so much for watching. Enough love and blessings, and see you in my next video.